Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to install Lenovo laptop audio or sound driver on Windows 11 or 10. Alright, so the first option that we have here is that you go ahead over to your search bar and just type down System Updates, just like so. Click on Check for Updates. And then in here, just click on Check for Updates. And once done, if there are available updates, just click on Download and Install. After that, go ahead over to Advanced Options. Now click on Optional Updates. As here, most of the time, all of your device drivers will be available. Most importantly, your sound drivers, okay? Just basically install them all and hit on Download and Install. And after that, once the update is done, you gotta restart the computer. And once done, you should be good to go. Another option, you could go ahead over to your favorite browser and just find Lenovo driver download, okay? Hit on Enter. Now you can go ahead and click on Download and Install driver from the Lenovo support site. So just click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and type down your serial number. And then once done, your specific device will pop up, just like this one. Let's say, for example, you do have the IdeaPad 3. Okay, so what you'll do in this page is just go ahead and go to Drivers and Software, click on Manual Update, or you could go ahead and click on Automatic Update, so it will scan and install all drivers that is needed for your Lenovo computer. If not, if only the sound driver or audio driver is what you want, so just click on Select Drivers right here. Now go ahead and find Audio. Now find the latest version. Okay, as you can see here, we have the January 27, 2022 Realtek audio driver. So just click on Download. Now save it wherever you want, save, and just wait for the download process to finish. All right, once that's done, you can now go ahead and close the browser and find the installer. Just double click on it, follow simple prompts, okay? And if you got this pop-up, just run anyway. Wait if it's allowed. Click on yes. Now follow the simple prompts, okay? I accept right here, hit on next, and just click on install and hit on next. I'm not going to do it again because I already have it, okay? But that's just basically it. That is how you install a Lenovo laptop audio or sound driver. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.